Hey, what is up guys, this is Yusuf here from TECHDROIDS and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And today we're taking a look at the best $750 gaming PC build for the month of November 2016. So Christmas is right around the corner, it's just 1 month away, and this could be a pretty sick present for someone, a gaming PC that can play most of the games. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's build. Now before I get to the parts, you guys are gonna ask how will this build perform. So this build will smash some of the latest AAA titles in 1440p and 1080p. So this is a really good 1440p machine. It's also capable of VR and also can smash some of the moderately demanding games in 4K. So you can get some 4K gaming, some VR, and this is really a good PC that can play most of the games at 1440p if you are ready to put down the settings a little bit. But you can go max settings, max graphics, max resolution at 1080p and still achieve 60 fps or above. So with that being said, let's get started with the parts. And for the CPU, I went with the Intel Core i5-6500. So it's a quad core, that means it maintains compatibility with most of the AAA titles. It's 3.2 GHz, that's a healthy clock speed. It falls short of the 6600K, which is a little bit overclocked version of the CPU and supports overclocking. We don't have an overclockable motherboard, neither do we have a CPU, but still this CPU is no slouch, comes with quad cores and is of the LG 1151. That means Intel is going to support it for a long time, and it comes for a really good price of $190. This is Black Friday, so you're getting a really cheap deal. So I'll leave a link in the description below for every part mentioned in this video, so you can get them. Right now it's Cyber Monday and Black Friday, so it's going to be a pretty good deal, so just grab it. To house that CPU, I went with the MSI Gaming H110 LG1151 motherboard. It supports DDR4, USB 3.1, and it comes in a micro ATX form factor. It costs only $59 and will do the job. Nothing spectacular, does not support overclocking, but will do the job and supports our DDR4 RAM as well. So talking about DDR4, for RAM I went with the Kingston HyperX Fury DDR4, 8GB, clocked at 2400 MHz and cost $35. So this is a single DIMM because I didn't go with a dual channel because I want you guys to add a second DIMM later on, and this is just for upgradability purposes. You can get dual channel, but that's just going to be a waste of a RAM stick if you have to add RAM in the future. So this is really good, fast RAM, will do the job. 8GB is mostly enough for any game, any editing software, so that sorts out a RAM. For primary storage, I went with Western Digital's WD Blue. It's 1TB and it's clocked at 7200 RPM. That means it's one of the it's as fast as mainstream kind of hard drives go. 7200 RPM is fastest mainstream kind of hard drives go, and it is 1TB, so you have plenty of storage for your Steam library, your games, music, and videos. And accompanying that is a Crucial MX300 275GB SSD. This is a 2.5-inch form factor, costs $70, and you can grab a pretty sick deal at Black Friday for this one as well and get it about for $60 to $65. And a SSD is always worth it, can do the job and can improve the performance of your PC significantly. It doesn't matter what you have, a SSD will make it faster. And to power all these things, we have the EVGA 700 watt 80+ bronze certified for $53, juicing up this PC. Now a power supply 80+ certified. 80+ certification is the streamlined certification for power supplies. It means that this power supply will always be at 80% efficiency powering this PC. Now for the graphics department, for the graphics card I went with the ASUS GeForce GTX 1060. It comes with 6 GB of GDDR5 memory. It's VR ready. It comes with a dual HDMI and a DisplayPort 1.4 and a dual link DVI. Cost only $249. This is a really good deal going again Black Friday and Cyber Monday on Amazon.com. Links in the description below. And for the case, I went with the Corsair Carbide Spec 01 for $44. This is a really good case for your micro ATX build. Now that wraps up guys the $750 PC for the month of November. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more PC builds. I have a whole playlist with a ton of PC builds for every budget, so check that out. This is Yusuf from TECHDROIDS, and I'm going to see you guys in the next TECHDROIDS video.